In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FTMO to TradingView and explain the correct way to do it. First, open TradingView. Log in to your TradingView account. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the Chat or Support option. Now, in the chat box, type a clear question like, "How can I connect my FTMO account to TradingView?" After sending the message, TradingView support will reply with the official instructions. They will explain how FTMO connects through supported platforms like MetaTrader and how TradingView links to FTMO via broker integration or credentials provided by FTMO. Follow the steps exactly as TradingView support provides them. This usually involves logging into your FTMO account, using the correct trading platform credentials, and completing the connection inside TradingView. Make sure you carefully follow every step to avoid connection issues. You can also scroll through the TradingView trading panel to see other supported brokers if you want to compare options. And that's it. That's how you connect FTMO to TradingView and use TradingView's charts and analysis with your FTMO account. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.